Hello everyone, I'm Salat. I will show you a quick demo of how this system works. So on the landing page, you have to click on this button here, click to begin, to start the program. Once it starts, it will load a default space which you can navigate around. On the right hand, you will see a menu, so you can choose and click any of them and it will load the spaces. So still you can navigate them. So on these little ones, they will tell you some information of what it is, what it has the meta tags, and on the search form ID, you can search the spaces based on their name or the year they were added. So if they were added 2021, you will see all the spaces that were added the year 2021. Or you can search with a name, let's say engineering, and then you will get list of engineering spaces that are available for navigation. And this is the default view for anyone who does not have admin privilege. So to go to admin privilege, you have to visit this URL, admin equals to true, and then you will see some extra functionalities added to the admin to the sidebar. So as you can see, the menu now has got extra functionalities. This plus icon, which is to add a space. So to add a space, all you have to do is just type the space name here, Kingswood, and then the category, let's say engineering, and then the year you want to, let's go 1 year ahead, 2023. And then for these two, they have to be they have to have a value in it. They cannot be empty. So if you submit the form now, you get an error for the model ID being empty. So the model ID has to have something. The model ID must be 11 digits. So if it's less than 11, it will not accept it. If it's more than 11, it will not accept also. So now it's 11 digits. We click save. And then you will get this notification that says the model has been successfully registered and added to the file. So that is how you add. So to edit a space, you just go and click this icon here on the pen. So and then it will show you. Still the validations apply. You cannot have more than 11 characters, and you cannot have less than 11. So if you want to change the year here, for instance, let's say it was 2010, and then you click save. As you will get this pop-up again for confirmation. As you can see, the date has been changed. And to delete a space, you just click the trash icon. It will ask you again to confirm if you want to delete. If unintentionally, you can click cancel, or if you want to delete, just click yes, and then this space has been removed. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. Thank you so much. So now we're gonna I'll show you quickly how the follow screen works and the connection between tool guide and the follow screen. So obviously we've used a Matterport listener on the camera event to kind of change the camera around. We've also added a listener to the sweeps and also the mode changes. So as you can see, we can change the camera, move around, we can go to the sweep and it'll change. And if we change the dollhouse mode, we can also see that it changes in dollhouse. Right. We can also do the floor plan with a bird's eye view with a bunch of labels and all the meta tags. And we can also unlock the camera. So we can let the tour guide kind of walk around and talk, or the follow screen decides to look around themselves, or just to follow the tour guide. If the tour guide wants to zoom everyone back to where he's looking, he can just toggle it back on, and there you go. We'll zip back to where the tour guide's looking. This will all work regardless of whatever space you're in. So if you decide to showcase a different space, the follow screen will follow you into that space, and the sweep will change, the camera, all the events will trigger based on